What's the meaning of Ben Jonson? Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson.
Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson was an English playwright and poet born in 1572. He is best known for his plays such as Volpone, The Alchemist, and Bartholomew Fair. His works were influential in the development of English drama, as he emphasized the importance of classical ideals and unity of action. Jonson was also a literary critic and believed in the importance of learning and education. He had a close relationship with William Shakespeare, and they are considered two of the most important playwrights of the Elizabethan era. Jonson's contributions to English literature have had a lasting impact and continue to be studied and performed today.